Your cat might be incredibly bored right now, and you don't even know it. Keeping a cat indoors feels like the right call, but vets have been quietly worried about something for years that nobody is talking about. Indoor cats do live up to 3 times longer than outdoor cats. That part is real. But longer life doesn't always mean better life. Sleeping 18 hours, eating out of boredom, hiding for no reason. These aren't personality quirks. They are signs of a mentally broken animal. Their brain is wired to hunt, stalk, and explore. But your apartment gives them nothing to hunt, nothing to stalk, and the same 4 walls every single day. Therefore, indoor cats are 4 times more likely to develop anxiety, obesity, and urinary disease. And the good news, a puzzle feeder, a window perch, and 10 minutes of daily play can completely reverse this. It costs almost nothing and takes less time than one scroll through your phone.